Now guys, stay with me. We will have to put the timing chain on this SS Commodore, and we'll show you how to set it up the timing on this particular engine. So let's start. So first you have to put the timing chain guide tensioner together with the chain and the sprocket, because once you put this chain there without the timing guide, you cannot put it through. So put it together and set it up together. So yep, like that. And then time this mark here to this dot on the crankshaft sprocket. So we have to put another tooth, I mean another one, yeah, like that. And the dowel of this camshaft here should be 3 o'clock on this sprocket also. Yeah, that's it. And then bolt it on. Once you do that, you're good to go. So let's review again. So the mark of this will be aligned to mark on the dot of the crankshaft sprocket, and the camshaft should be aligned together. If it is, then put the bolt on here, then we're good to go. Yeah, the bolt here, you should tire it for 25 Newton meter, and the same thing with the camshaft bolts. And yeah, after that we put it on the cover, clean this one up around it, and put the gasket on, and that's it. Yeah, thanks very much for watching, and hope you enjoy and learn this video. If you do, then please like and subscribe my channel. Yeah, subscribe, likes. That's how you can help me to grow our channel. Thanks very much for watching, guys. See you next time.